Good morning. We're going to play number 45 out of book one. It is the William Tell Overture. You've probably heard it before. It sounds but we're not going to take it that fast. Instead, we're going to take it about this fast. Which would sound, I'll say 1, 2, 3. Sound just me. 1, 2, 3. So let's take it that fast. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Cool. So, actually, let me write something in so super quick so I don't forget to do it. All right. Bum 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 bum. I feel like we can go all the way up to the breath mark because for the most part it's one note, right? Bum 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 bum. You just need to figure out those ones going up as well. Can you figure out those notes? Remember to turn back a page if you need to, but wouldn't be surprised if you don't really need to anymore if you've been following these lessons. Let's try it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, ready. Oh, sorry, pick up note. I'll say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We take a breath, and now we play. So we're now playing right after the first breath mark. Right up to here. If you're a mallet player, you probably won't have breath marks written in. So we're on not the first measure, but the second measure on those 2/8 notes right there in the second measure. So we're going to start there. Bum, 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 bum. It's a perfect time to do that technique where we do 3 notes. And then once we get that, we add the 4th, then the 5th, then all the way until we have it done. So let's do the first 3 notes, which would be 1, 2, 3. Bum, bum, bum. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Last time. Ready? Go. So if you're a little lost, like I don't even know where we're playing, we are right after the first breath mark. You mallet players won't have breath marks, so first measure, second measure, right on those 2/8 notes right there. Bum, 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 bum. Let's do 5 notes. Bum, 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 bum. And again, this is a clarinet book, so if you're not clarinet, it's going to look different. We'll say 1, 2, 3. We're playing 5 notes after the first breath mark. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Again. Last time. 2, 3. Let's add the 6th note. Bum, 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 bum. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now on the next note, the 7th, are 2 8th notes in a row. Same note, right? So why don't we do the 7th and the 8th? So now we're playing from here. There we are. Bum, 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 bum. So we're finishing the line. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3. Again. 2, 3. Last time. 2, 3. Let's move on. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 notes. Let's do the 9th note. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoops, my bad. Let's do it again. Ready, go. Last time, go. Add the next note. We're almost done. We got 2 more to go. Ready, 2, 3. Ooh, I just want to add that last note at the end. So now we're going from the first breath mark to the last breath mark. For you mallet players, it's right here. We're in the 1 second measure, 8th note. Bum, 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 bum. Right to there. There we go. And 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 2, 3. Played too much trumpet yesterday. 1, 2, 3. Now I think we can play from the beginning all the way to that second breath mark. So everything we learned so far. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now, if we move on, what does it look like? After the second breath mark, what is that? If you notice that it's the same as the first couple measures of the beginning, you'd be correct. Bum, 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 bum. Same as right there. So we already know how to play it. So why don't we play from the beginning all the way to the first rest? If you need to pause and practice, please do. But for the most part, we know this because this part we didn't learn yet. We already learned up here. It's the same part. So pause and practice if you need to, but we're going to go all the way until the first rest, and then we'll learn the last 2 measures in the song. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's learn the last 2 measures. I want to challenge you. I'm not going to teach 1 measure at a time. I want to see if you can do it right now by yourself. Last 2 measures. Think about what it would sound like. Figure out the notes. Play it a couple times. Pause. Play it a couple times. Come back. Play with me. See if you got it right, because I think you can. Now that you're unpaused, should sound. Did you get it right? Let's play it together. 1, 2, ready. Did you notice that the whole song is played MF? You look at the very beginning, the first note. MF is under it. Remember, that means mezzo forte. That's our normal volume. So. change. And if you saw the last two measures, they put a forte in. So you want to play it loud. Forte means loud. So and increase the volume when you get to forte. I'm going to play a demo, let you go practice, and then come on back. We'll play it together. So here's what the demo sounds like. Whole song sounds just me. If you feel comfortable with it, you can play with me right now if you want to. We can play together on this one. If you feel comfortable already, you don't need the practice. Or you want a challenge. Let's try it. Ready? Here's demo. 1, 2, 3. And there we go. Hope that helped. Go into practice mode, come on back, unpause once you're ready, and we'll play together with the final performance of this song. It's a long one. Come on back once you're ready. Let's play. We'll say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cool? All right, I'll see you guys for the next ones, 46 and 47.